How to link a Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to your PS5. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of linking your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to your PS5. So let's dive right in. So in order to get started, go to the search bar of your web browser and search for Fortnite. Click on this fortnite.com and you'll be redirected to the Fortnite interface. So if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to sign in to your Epic Games account. And to do this, you have to click on this top right corner of the site and click on your profile icon. And this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. So once you've successfully signed in, go back to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you gotta select the option that says simple account. So just click on account and this will bring you to your account settings page. So once you're redirected to your account setting page, on the left hand side you'll see a menu and you need to navigate to apps and accounts. So here click on apps and accounts, and this section will display any linked account such as your Nintendo Switch account. So connect it to your PS5, locate to the PlayStation Network option on this page and make sure you're in the account section, and here you gotta just select connect over here. So once you click on connect account, you'll be redirected to another interface that will be something like this, where you need to confirm your connection by clicking this blue button that says connect account. So just click on it, and at this point you'll be taken to a login screen for your PlayStation Network account. So you need to simply sign in with your credentials and your PS5 will be linked to your Fortnite. So here just type down your email and then you can just type down your password, and that's it. Your account would be linked to your PS5. So once you've done that, everything is connected, you'll be able to access your Fortnite Nintendo Switch account on your PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.